Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. It's been 5 months with my Numatic Quick, the commercial version, but still the same old Henry Quick. And unfortunately, we've just had our first warranty claim. I lost a wheel, which sort of makes it pretty impossible to use without scraping down the side of the head. So I did a warranty claim and they couldn't send me just a new wheel. No, I had to have an entire new head. So let's see what Numatic sent me, and well, I guess we'll fit a new wheel to my head and we can carry on as before. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, this Chinese stick vac with a Numatic name on it has been okay, really. I can't say it's brilliant, but I can't say it's terrible either. It certainly picks up all of the bits. But yeah, unfortunately, one of the little wheels, well, it came off. I'm hoping it's not. Yeah, now I look at this a little bit more closely, I don't know if that's going to be broken or not. I think it might just about be okay. It only slots in there. Yeah, so couldn't just get a wheel. No, I had to wait for this box to turn up. What's inside of this box? Well, it is an entire other head, which they had to send me because they didn't just have a wheel. So little bit excessive. I mean, look, we now have 2 entire heads, and well, you can tell the difference. I mean, this has had to be sat around for a week or two whilst I wait for this, so it's a little bit grubby, but yeah, certainly a lot cleaner and less worn. Obviously, it's just such soft plastic. Look, it's scratching. All of the little felt bits are already starting to fall apart. This head is a lot nicer, but it's also not brand new. This is a warranty claim. I mean, Numatic didn't say they were going to send me a new head, but I mean, they didn't tell me they were going to be sending me a lightly used head either. I mean, I haven't pulled the brush roll out yet, but we should, I think, yeah, have the telltale signs of all the little bits of white plastic that come from the plastic, because it's very soft. So yeah, mildly used. I mean, I don't know really. I don't think it's right that you send a warranty product out used without informing the customer, especially for my nearly £550 model, which is the commercial one, obviously. But again, I mean, all we really need is the one wheel. So I'm going to get a little screwdriver, pop this one wheel out, and we shall fit it to our original head. Right, let's get a screwdriver. Oh, I hope these pop out easily, since one fell out all on its own. There we go, look. One wheel out, there it is. This is all I wanted. I messaged the place that I bought mine from, asking for a wheel. They sent me a whole used head. Now, biggest question is going to be, is it actually going to clip back into here, or has it broken something more, which means that we need more of our new head? Yeah, look, it has. Wherever it snapped out, look, that wheel will now not go back in. So, I mean, actually, in a roundabout sort of way, maybe it is a good idea that they sent me the new head, because, yeah, short of taking this all apart and putting the new bottom on this one, there's not a lot I can really do. So, 5 months, this looks like this with light use. This isn't my main machine by any stretch. But, yeah, now we've got to use a Henry Quick head. Now, I was offered a Numatic Quick, but I'd have had to wait for them to be in the country. So I said I'll have a Henry because I just don't mind. I thought I only really needed one wheel. Oh, you're not going to go back in now, are you? Uh-oh. So I'm going to get this wheel back on. Then we best check if it actually works. I can't see why it wouldn't, but on the rug you will see that the kids got all of the arts and crafts material out, and as usual left half of it for me to deal with. So what better way to check the Quick than to pick all this up? Hey, it works! Oh goodness! Did your Numatic Quick do this? Every single tiny little stone. Oh wow. It just rattles around the head, and boost doesn't really help either. Because all boost does is make the head clamp right down. Oh, I did it. Oh, still more. Oh, but she runs. The head doesn't feel like it's on an angle. Oh my goodness, it's not really any of this up. Look, there's some over here as well. Oh, there's some. Out. There we go, he's back in action, just as mediocre as before, although with a nice red accent. Oh dear, oh dear. But enough about how it broke after 5 months, just like the Dyson did. I also did buy it a gift. I'd probably realised by now, but Numatic have finally started selling the replacement air fresheners for it. And these came a good week ago now, but obviously I've not had the machine to use it. So yes, we have lots of little polos. Here they are, obviously exactly the same as the one that we unboxed. I went for Rose, and you know what? They're not very strong. I don't know why I'm showing you it. You can smell. They're not very strong, but it does smell better than the one that came in the box. I didn't quite fancy pineapple. I thought it would be a bit sickly. Can't remember what the other one was. I thought Rose would be a fairly inoffensive scent. So yep, the SIBO air freshener is out of this and actually in the Vor work upstairs, making that smell nice. And yeah, it is there. There is a very nice, gentle waft again. That's why I thought Rose rather than, having a pineapple up your nose every time you vacuum. Oh yeah, that is that. So, there we go, little update on the Quick. It is still going okay. I mean, despite the mediocreness of everything else, again, the bit that I just can't get over is how good the bags do work. It's literally the best part of the whole machine. I mean, this one's not full at all, but we must be on bag 5 now, I think. And yeah, inside of here is still pretty much spotless. It's probably starting to get a few bits of dust now from me opening it and closing it all the time. But yeah, my expensive cordless vacuum cleaner is now fixed again. So if you have a Numatic Quick, how is yours holding up after a couple of months of use? Are you starting to feel that everything's just a bit cheap, a bit soft, a bit meh, or are you getting on alright with it? And is it just me expecting a bit too much for something from the company like Numatic? Oh, obviously they didn't make this, they bought it in. That's probably the biggest key. But there we go, little update video done. Normal service will be resumed soon, and I and some other vacuum cleaner in need of help will see you soon. Bye bye.